From Monday the 19th of February, attendance monitoring is going digital. You need to record your attendance through the myLboro mobile app instead of signing the paper register. It's quick and easy to do. To automatically register your attendance in classes, you first need to download the latest version of the app from Google Play Store for Android or Apple App Store for iOS devices. When you open up the app, select University Member, accept the terms and conditions and log in with your university credentials. Make sure you turn on Bluetooth, location services, notifications for the app, and just attend your timetable session. You will get a notification when the app automatically checks you in. Additionally, there's also the option to manually check in. To do so, go to Settings and select Attendance from the menu items. Turn off automatic check-in, go to the home menu and select the attendance check-in tile. The rooms in your area will show up and you'll be able to select the room you want to check into. Select the class you're attending and click check-in. Don't worry, as the app will only record your attendance for your selected timetable session. It won't monitor location in any other parts of campus. If you don't have a smartphone, you can use web check-in at my.lboro.ac.uk. That's it! No more queues and waiting around for your paper form registers. If you have any issues registering your attendance, please visit our FAQ tile or let us know through our feedback option. Or for more information, visit our webpage at www.lboro.ac.uk/attendance.